Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to connect GoCanvas to NetSuite. All right, so to integrate these two, you can utilize a third-party integration platform like Zapier or LateNote or even N8N or PipeDream. Okay, as you can see here under GoCanvas, integrations are not yet available, but you can go ahead and contact their support and tell them that you need a custom integration, such as connecting GoCanvas to NetSuite. Okay. But if you want to do it yourself, you can go ahead and do so. Just make sure that you have both accounts, like GoCanvas account and NetSuite account. Okay. So once that's done, go ahead over to a Zapier or LateNote, again, N8N, and some other similar automation platform. Okay. So in Zapier, go ahead over to the left panel, hit on create. And if you don't have your account, just go ahead and make one. It's easy to make. All right. Just click on Zaps. And here, click on Trigger, select GoCanvas. Just for example, you can go ahead and use NetSuite as a trigger, okay, if you want to. And then GoCanvas is selected. Select the trigger event, for example, new submission, and sign in with your GoCanvas account. Once that's done, hit on Continue. Select the form name that you wanted to work with. Okay, for example, job ticket, continue, and test. Okay. Test the connection, got a check mark, means connected successfully. Now, action right here, let's go ahead and select NetSuite. There you go, click on it. As you can see here, it is tagged Premium. You can go ahead and try their Premium or Pro trial. And if you like the connection or the integration, you can go ahead and upgrade to Pro later. Okay, action event, as you can see, whatever trigger event happens, like whenever there is a new submission from GoCanvas, you can go ahead and select attach a system file to record here in NetSuite, okay? Or delete a record, create a record, and some other options like find record, transform record, update record, okay? Maybe I'm just gonna go ahead and select create record, okay? Once that's done, again, same with GoCanvas, sign in with your NetSuite account, and then configure it, select the section that you wanted to use for you to create a new record, and then test it out. Once done, once it's got a check mark, you can go ahead and hit on publish. And again, when you hit on publish, it activates the workflow, allowing the defined action to run automatically whenever the trigger event occurs. So each time the trigger event happens, or each time there is submission from GoCanvas, Zapier will execute the associated action in the connected apps. And don't worry, when you hit on publish, everything right here will be online and will be automated. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.